What's up, guys? So in the previous video we talked about the Avive application where we are going to be mining the VV token and earning free BTC. So in this video I'm just going to be talking about how you can make use of the magic stone and the gift box, because I got a lot of messages from people asking me how to make use of the magic box and the gift box and the magic stone. And in this video we're going to be talking about how to make use of them to increase your earnings and also earn more soul power in order to earn more VV tokens. So if this is what you're interested in, stick to this video till the end. Right, guys, so if you are not yet mining, I already made a previous video on how to get started, how you can start mining with the Avive application and start earning your free BTC and also the Avive token. So if you've not seen that, I'll leave the video in the description of this video, and also in the top right corner is going to pop up. You can click it and watch it, or you click it and come back and watch it later, after watching this one. So I'll be showing you in this video now how we can make use of the tools section, which is over here. Let me take this up. The tool section is here. That is what I'm going to be talking about in this video. So before I go into that, don't let your mining get to 25 rounds. It is written here. Don't let it get to 25 rounds. Your mining is going to be suspended. You won't be able to be earning more of this token. So make sure maybe every 6 hours if you wish, or every 12 hours, you come over into this application and click on claim, so you'll be able to acquire some of the tokens you've already mined, and to avoid mining suspension. So really I have like 10 rounds available on my balance now that I need to claim. So let me just quickly claim that before I go any further. All right, let me click on claim here. All right, so that's done. Yeah, I just claimed my rhymes. So now let me jump into the main details here, the main deal, which is the tool section. Now we go to the tool section. Now on the tool section, you are going to be given this magic box, the magic stone. You're going to be given magic stone, and it is what we use in increasing our earnings, our mining speed. Yes, it helps you earn more soul power. The soul power is just like the ash card we've exchanged in Satoshi app. I talked about that also earlier on. So this is what you are going to be do once you have this, because you are going to be given, I think, one per day. It depends. Anyway, you have to, I think the information is somewhere here. Oh, come on, the information is somewhere here. You click on this question mark logo that you can see here. Click on it. It's going to give you the information, the details. Go ahead and read and understand how often you're going to be getting this magic stone and the gift box. So you can go ahead, read it and understand. All right, so now I want to show you how you can use it. Now I have two here. I'm going to initiate one and I'm going to join one for you to understand how it is done. So now we're going to be initiating the magic power. Now if you have this magic power, or the fire magic stone, or whatever you have on your dashboard right now, and it has the initiate and the join button on it, you can go by, if you want to initiate, this is how you can do it. Let me quickly initiate. I click on initiate. Then you can choose how many people you want to share this with, so you can choose how many people you want to participate this thing with. So I'm going to choose just 3. I will choose 3 people, then I initiate. All right, so because once you initiate, and once you initiate for 3, you should know that you will need to share with 2 people, because including you making it 3. So you have you can see it over here. I've initiated it. All I need to do now is to copy this code that is here. You can see this code that is over here. Just click on this logo that you can see 2 boxes. Yeah, you click on them. You click on the box. Let me just click on it. You see, copy successful. Now what I need to do is, after copying that code, you need to go to groups, or you go to groups, or if you have somebody directly that has this application, you can also share with the person, but you need to know that you can only share with the person once. You and that person can exchange the code once. You can't do it multiple times. That's even if you have extra codes, you can still share with the same person. So that's why it's advisable you go into groups where you see lots of people participating in this application trying to mine, so you can just share your code with them. So now I just copied this, and I already created a group, or a Telegram group that I created for anybody interested to join, to share their code. So you can actually go into the group and start sharing your code. And it's the link is in the description anyway. I'll leave the link in the description. Go ahead and check it out. You can go into the group, Telegram group, and share. Just post your code there. You're definitely gonna see someone who's gonna use it for you. So the group is created for that anyway. So I'm gonna go into the group right now and show you how you can share your code. All right, so we just copied the code of a magic stone, and the magic stone, now the name of this particular one we are sharing is called the water magic stone. You can see it over here. Let me see quickly. Let me show you where the name is. You can see water magic stone. Why the second one is called fire? You can see the name, fire magic stone. So let's share the water magic stone in the group quickly. All right, so here we are in the group I told you about. So now what I need to do is to just post the code I copied right here by all right, let me quickly put. All right, let me just let them know this is the water magic, okay, water magic stone. Write it this way, water magic stone. Then you can put you just paste it. Anyone using this application will understand what you are pasting, know what a water magic stone is. Then you paste. You can paste it multiple times. It makes it so it keeps being relevant when someone gets into the group. You can quickly see it. So after pasting it maybe like 4 or 5 times this way, then all you need to do is to click on the send button, and it's going to go. So now we've sent it, and it's in the group already. So anyone using, you can see already there are lots of people pasting their code in the group. So if anybody use this codes that I just drop in here, you are going to see it. It's going to reflect on the application. Okay, now let me quickly. Okay, so if anybody uses the code, like if 2 people uses the code I just posted in that group, you are going to see them here. You see where it is written waiting to join. Those 2 people, they are going to appear here. So once they appear here and it is shown that the 2 people have joined this code, so they are also exchanged, they also join this exchange, they use this code. Now this particular place that you can see cancel exchange, we change I think it's going to be execute exchange or something like that. It's going to change to execute exchange. Then you are just going to click on it, and once you click on it, you will see that you all that use this code will benefit about, I think, 3,000 soul power will be added to your account, so that it's going to increase your mining speed. And every the 3 of you on this particular code will benefit 3,000 soul power. That's how you initiate and earn more soul power with this particular magic stone. Now if you want to join someone else's code, now let me show you how to join someone else's code. Now we are going to go back to that group I showed you right away. Let me go back. All right, so now here we are again in the group. So I just have to look for, I'm looking for someone else's code. Now these are the gift code. I don't want to use the gift code. You can see they wrote it there boldly. These are gift code. I don't need the gift code. I need the magic stone. All right, now I just found one which is over here. Yeah, you can see this is it. This is one. So all I need to do is to copy this guy's code. I'm gonna copy it this way. Let me paste it here so I can edit it. Paste and copy this. All right. All right, now I'm going to cut this, and I go back to, let me go back to the application. All right, good. Now here we are. So what I need to do, I've already copied someone else's code. I'm just gonna join his code right now. So I'll just click on join. All right, now I paste the code that I copied from there this way, and I confirm it. Good, I just confirm it, and you can see there are lots of people that has already joined this code. So I was even the last person to join now. So you can see now it is all filled up. We all just joined and the code is filled up. He initiated for 5 people, and I'm the 5th person that just joined, and it is all filled up. So what is left for him to do now is going to execute this code. Once he executes this, we all are going to benefit from this code that we just shared. We all are going to be earning some soul power from this. So that is how you can use the magic stone to increase your earnings. Now let me quickly talk about the gift box, which is over here. Click on the gift box. You can see now the gift box is just like the gift card. Yeah, like I said, this is just like the gift card we used in the Satoshi app. So now what you do here is to copy this code, just the same thing you did in the magic stuff in the magic stone. You need to copy this code. You can see the code over here. You copy the code, just click on that box there. It's going to copy automatically. You copy the code, and after copying the code, and I think this one is only you can share. This one can only be shared with new miners, you know, like someone that just started mining. You want to give the person some soul power. So you just copy the code, share with the person, and once the person uses the gift box code, is going to be earning about 50,000. Yeah, it's going to be earning about 50,000 of the soul power. You can see, and you are going to be earning 2,000 of the soul power. You that is giving the gift box will be earning 2,000, while the person is going to be earning about 50,000 of the soul power. So you do the same thing. You copy the code, go to your social media, go to your groups that I talked about, and you paste it there, and you let them know it's a gift box. You write it there, gift box code, then you share, and they are going to anybody that needs it is going to use it, and definitely going to be earning the 50,000 soul power, and while you are going to be earning the 2,000. So, and one more thing is, you can't use it more than once. You know, only once you can use this. If you've never used a gift box, you can use it. It is available for you to use, but if you've used it once, you can't use it anymore. So we all are allowed to use just once. Gift box are given to us to use. We can use gift box only once. Okay, now, and if you are the person that was given the gift card, the gift code, and you want to use it, the next thing you should do is just to click on this particular instruction here. You see where it is written use gift box. So once you click there, you can just, let me click it and show you. You will just paste in someone else's code that you've copied that was given to you as a gift. You paste it here, and the person is going to be receiving 2,000 of the soul power, while you are going to be earning 50,000 soul power to your account. So that's how you can use the gift box also. So that is how the tool section of this application really works. So guys, if you enjoyed what I showed you, please give this video thumbs up first of all. And if you have not even started mining on this application, go ahead, there's a link in the description, guys. Go ahead and download this application and start earning. Join us. Let's start earning as early as possible. So guys, if you like what I showed you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more updates coming up. I'll be bringing more updates about this application and some more updates about other application, new stuffs coming up. That's what I do on this channel. I bring you guys updates about cryptocurrencies, how you can earn free crypto by the side on your mobile phone. So guys, if you're interested, subscribe please, and don't forget to click on the notification bell sign so you get notified once I upload another brand new video for you guys. So I see you again in the next video. Bye for now.